Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the next update for the bathroom Reno down in Richmond here. So, what's going on here? So there will be heated floors. Just giving you an update here. So there's going to be heated floors here, which we're about to get to that stage. But we're right down to the base plywood that's on the joist. A lot of people always put plywood sheets on top of plywood sheets and raise the floor. Sometimes it's just better to go right back to the core subfloor. We have the toilet drain set to probably where it's supposed to be, 12 inches away from the finished wall. Our sink is going to be there. There's going to be one sink in this bathroom, a 5-foot vanity. As you can see, that this is an exterior wall, so we had to put some vapor barrier. So we re-vapor barriered this this wall. A sheet of drywall right there. Okay. On this wall, there will be an outlet on the left-hand side, right there. Here we do have 2 switches. One for the pot lights right above, these LED pot lights right above, and I'll show you what they look like. There's only 2 on this side and 1 there. We're going to add 2 more in the middle to cover up the dark spots in the middle on each side of the fan. We'll line it up with that one, and we'll see what design we can to line up this other pot light around there. The other thing here, the other switch is the fan. Now this is a automatic fan. It's one of the high-end fans. It costs about $300. It's a Panasonic. As you can see right there, it's as you can see that light blinking. So when I move, as you can see right there, it turns on. So basically, it's on only when by motion. So that's the second switch there. If you look right above here, we do have, that will be the heated floor thermostat. It's a programmable version, so they can actually use that to they can set whatever time and date they need to heat the floors, so they get in and then the floor is heated right away. In the tub, so the tub is installed. As you can see, it's a 32-inch by 60-inch tub, fully installed and tested. We did a decent test. A lot of people don't test their tubs; they just install and leave. But I suggest just let the water run, let it fill, test the overflow, make sure there's no leaks back there, make sure there's no leaks down there. Once again, this is on the second floor of the house, so you don't really want any problems in the future. This is a bit of an expensive faucet that we have here, about $1,000. And it has 3 spouts, 3 outlets of water. So as you can see here, there's 5 outlets coming out of the faucet. On the complete left, let's call that west, that's the hot, and on the east, which is the right hand side, that's cold. Down there, that'll be the tub spout, and right above that is the shower spout, which will look like that when it's done. I just put that there to test it out. And the one in an angle there, technically it's supposed to go the way the finished faucet looks like in the magazine. Is it's supposed to come out this way, but we can't do that because it's very busy here, as we have a washer and dryer behind. Okay, so there's not too much to attach to, and we do not want to have people drill into anything back here, drill into these pipes. So it's too busy. We need to have these properly secured, as you can see they are. So we actually put it on this other side. So it's connected to that other spout right there, which is going to be handheld by a hand shower. That's why I put that 2x4, the lighter 2x4 right there, to hold a hand shower. Very strong, very, very sturdy. So that'll that tub spout, that not the tub spout, but that outlet there, this one, will be used for the handheld shower, which will be put around there in between the this guy and the faucet, but on the right hand side. We really wanted it on the left hand side, but it just didn't work because it's just busy. We got a pipe going down there, black pipe going down there. We had to reinforce. As you can see here, there's a bunch of 2x4s, so we're just reinforcing. Some. No, I'm just losing my words here. We're going to be putting some heavy doors, 10mm doors. So we do need some decent amount of strength. Same thing on this side. That's what the glass guy recommended, so that's what we're doing. And here, for the ladies out there that need a shampoo place, and I'm not pointing out to the ladies, but anyone that needs shampoo, shelf in the shower, or anything you want in the shower, soap or whatever. We don't use the old things sticking out, soap dishes on tubs anymore, because it's nicer to have a clean look. So we just make a shelf, inset that about 4 inches or something like that, 3 inches, and it'll look nice. And this is nice and wide enough to put whatever you need in the shower. And that's pretty much it. This door, we brought that down from a 30-inch door to a 28-inch door, just because the tub, as I mentioned from the previous video, went wider from a 29-inch tub to a 32-inch tub. So we basically had to bring this door down a little bit. So there's the door jamb just installed. The rough opening is obviously 2 inches wider than the door opening, than the door size itself, for anyone that wants to know in the future. So if you have a door that's 32 inches wide, your rough opening should be 34 inches wide. Enough for you to work on, shim, you know what I mean, and level it out. And that's it for the update of this bathroom. Just going to back out here so you can take a look at the whole thing. Thank you.